So in this video, we're going to build this white oak, walnut, cutting board butcher block top. You notice it's done in end grain, and we'll see how that gets done. Do me a favor, leave in the comments down below if you like end grain, or if you like long grain, like in my other project. We started this project using some young guys, which we planed some walnut, and then we made a bunch of rips out of the walnut, a bunch of rips out of white oak, and then a small rip out of walnut. Then we glued it up and put it on a glue rack and clamped it down and let it sit. And when it was dry, we squared it up on the big table saw, cut a bunch of rips, turned those on edge, glued it up again, and fed it through the sander. I think everybody needs this wide belt sander in their workshop. We fed it through the sander multiple times, just taking off about 1/10 of a millimeter on each pass. And in the end, it came out real smooth and flat. And one more square up on the table saw. So in the finish of this cutting board, it's really vital all these little pockets here and voids be filled in. Even little scratches, little voids like that. You know, on a cutting board, you're gonna get food down in there, grime, and bacteria is just going to grow. So we got to seal all these little voids up. I used a 2-part resin to fill all the gaps. I taped it where there was big pockets and actually put some little wood blocks to keep the stuff from leaking out. So the resin's hard. We're going to go ahead and sand it all down. We're going to round over the edges, and then we're going to put some butcher block oil on it, and we're going to see how it looks. I wouldn't recommend everybody to use their orbital sander, but I did that to clean up the edges from the round over, and then I just touched it up by hand as well, and then gave a final finish over the top. This isn't a shameless plug for a booze block, but that's the stuff I use on my butcher block tops. First coat is mystery oil, and you let that dry and soak in. Then you wipe off the excess and you rub in the booze cream. So we let it sit, let the beeswax, oil mixture, seal it up. Now we just wipe off all the excess and call it good. And here it is, all finished. End grain white oak, walnut, did long grain walnut on the end for a breadboard look. Looks real good. We've got some white oak on order. It's coming. We're going to build a nice base for that. That'll be a different video. If you get a chance, subscribe. If you enjoy what we do, leave a comment, like us, and we'll see you on the next video.